my channel. If you're new here, this is Kaur's Life. Today I'm going to be doing a recipe video on how to make kale quinoa stir fry. If you're interested, keep watching. This recipe is super easy to make and it tastes great. It's filled with lots of vegetables and is really healthy. The main superstar of this recipe is the kale, which is a well-known superfood with many different health benefits. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Some of the health benefits of kale includes that it lowers your cholesterol, it's high in vitamins, nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber. Quinoa is also high in protein and fiber, and it contains many essential amino acids. It also has a low glycemic index and is high in minerals such as iron, magnesium, and has a lot of antioxidants. For this mixed vegetable quinoa stir fry, we're going to need quinoa, kale, sweet peppers, mushrooms, green onion, zucchini, sweet and chili sauce, chili flakes, mixed sesame seasoning, roadhouse seasoning, sriracha sauce, and garlic cloves. We're going to start by chopping up our vegetables. So I'm going to be chopping 2 to 3 stalks of kale. Next, I'm going to chop 2 to 3 stalks of green onion. After that, I'm going to chop 4 sweet peppers. Finally, I'm going to chop half a zucchini. I'm also going to chop up 3 garlic cloves. To start, I'm going to make the quinoa, so you want to heat up a pan on medium heat, and to this you want to add 2 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then to this you want to add in 1 cup of rinsed quinoa and let it sit covered for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, you want to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and to this you want to add in the chopped sweet peppers and zucchini. You want to let this saute on medium heat, and to this you want to add in 1 teaspoon of salt and then let it sit covered for about 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and to that I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of the Roadhouse seasoning. I got this seasoning from Trader Joe's, but it's a pretty common seasoning found in many grocery stores, which is commonly used on steaks. I also added in 1 teaspoon of the mixed sesame seasoning. Next, I'm going to add in the chopped kale and cover that for about 5 minutes until the vegetables cook more thoroughly. Then finally, I'm going to add in 1 cup of mushrooms. I like to add in the mushrooms at the end because mushrooms typically let out water as they saute on the stovetop. So if you put it near the beginning, it's going to make your stir fry a lot more liquidy. To this, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sweet and chili sauce. I'm going to mix that in well, and then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. It's up to you how spicy you want it, so if you want it more spicy, you can always add more of that sauce. After about 15 minutes, we're going to go and check in on the quinoa. The water should have evaporated nicely and the quinoa should have puffed up. Then we're going to add in the quinoa to the vegetable stir fry we made previously and mix it in well. To this, we're gonna add in green onions for garnish. I usually like to add a fried egg onto my quinoa stir fry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick fried egg, and then we will enjoy that with the quinoa stir fry. With that, this recipe comes to an end. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is a quick and easy way to make a very healthy dinner or lunch. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.